Hello everyone. So I hope you all are well in the second phase of Corona pandemic, and today I will deliver the lecture on skill development for BCom 4th sem. In last lectures we have seen the different viewpoints, the meaning of personalities from different point of views, and what exactly is the concept and meaning of personality. Each word which is consisted in the spelling of personality, that also we have seen. Okay, and why I have explained that? Because it is easy for you to understand. If you understand even the each and every word of personality, like what P stands for, E, R, S. So if you understand that, then almost all the points of unit 1 will be easy for you to understand. So what is personality? Behind every personality there is an individual, there is a person. एक person की personality is, it is always said, the personality. Okay, even when you are in the group of your friends, at that time you also talk that her personality is good or he is looking good. Okay, rather you always have a talk about the height, the facial looks, and the other body language, like body language, how he looks, how she talks, the way others behaves. It means these all things are judged by their personality only. Even your friends, okay, maybe the girl or a boy, you can identify from their outer look. What is that? When you see any person, it means how he looks, how he behaves, what is his attitude. Okay, and when you will understand the attitude and the behavior of the person, when you talk to them. But if you don't talk and you are just watching them or looking at them, so it's, you says the personality of that girl is good, her height is good, her health is good. It means what? The things which you can see from the outside, person's ki personality. The person has, so inner and outer. The person is different from inner side, different from outer side. Many times it happens the person is absolutely not good looking, but the mind, the heart, the nature is too good. How it is judged? While spending some time with that personality, with that individual, you can judge. So everyone, every individual must be good by heart but not by looks. So this is again another part of psychology. But before that, if you understand the meaning of each and every word of personality, so you can understand many of the points which are covered in unit 1. Still, we will go on to the definition, different definitions. Psychologist, okay, sociologist, everyone have given their definitions regarding personality, because personality is such an important part of the subject skill development. Skill means the qualities which a person is having. Now how he or she can have those qualities? If that person's personality is good, when you will call him or her is skilled, when they have some qualities. Okay, and to understand all these topics, all these things, what are the points considered in that? It's a personality. Okay, just now we have discussed how he looks from outer side, but when you come into the contact with them, with the individual, you understand slowly and gradually. You try to judge, okay, whether spending the time with him is good from your growth and development, or the things which a person has received from his genes, genetic, okay, by their parents or grandparents, everything that is a part of personality. So what are the definitions by different people given for the word personality? Jordan Ajit, what he says, personality is a comprehensive term which includes character. Just now we have talked about the character, personality. It means every individual has got a different character. How? One may be heighted person, one may be having lesser height. Another thing we can say about one of your friend, he is a very good in studies, but another is not good in studies. So everyone has their different characters. So what personality says? Personality is a comprehensive, means it studies, personality studies, it is a wide and broad term which includes character. So character is one of the part of the personality. Only personality is not included in character is not included in personality, but it is a comprehensive term which includes personality. It means there are other terms also. Just now we have discussed, okay, the height, health, the outer look, okay, the behavior, the attitude is included. So along with that, so personality is a comprehensive term which includes character. Character is one of the part of the personality. Clear? Then second, Guilford J. What he says, an individual's personality then is his unique pattern of traits. It means trait means क्या होता है, जो आपको हेरिडिटी में मिलता है, okay? Or other we can say that a personality is the stimulus value which one individual has for another. So if we go into the detail, personality is such a topic which is never ending. We can talk much and much on this particular specific word personality. But what from the viewpoint of Guilford, an individual's personality then is his unique pattern of traits, means everything which he gets, and again it makes a huge difference in the environment in which the growth and development of every individual gets a different impact on their personality. So while talking about the definition given by Guilford JP, what he says, an individual's personality then is his unique pattern of traits. So everybody is not looking same. Okay, the face is different, the height is different, the body is different, the looks are different, everything changes. So different pattern of traits, unique pattern of traits. Then next is Levin Kurt. Now what he says, he is one of the study expert, the subject expert of personality. He says personality is a dynamic totality of systems which includes everything. In the word personality we have seen, it is a perception capacity, okay, then it is a emotional understanding, at the same time responsiveness, self-expression, then organized manner, how an individual is organized, at the same time the personality is not going to be permanent, okay. When the child is of 5 years age and when he grows slowly and gradually, his maturity increases, and that is said that not permanent. So your personality may be changed, or it is always in the changing process. So it includes everything, totality of system, okay, perceptions, emotions, responsiveness, the appearance, what we have seen in the this particular definition, then the leadership qualities, then the integrated personality, and the tendency or impulses which individual is having. So it is a totality of a system, how a person is grown, the environment in which his development is made. So everything is considered in personality. So he says personality is a dynamic totality of systems. Then fourth is Morton Prince. What he says, personality is the sum total of biological innate impulses, tendencies, aptitudes, instincts of the individual, and dispositions and tendencies acquired by experience. See, this is the biggest definition, but this is a very correct definition from a person's personality point of view. How? Personality is the sum total. What is that? It is a sum total. Not a single point is included, but the total personality of a person. Okay? The appearance, at the same time the understanding power which is inbuilt in that particular personality. So it is a sum total of biological innates, that is what is heredity, okay, the genetics which an individual has received from his genes in his blood. Then impulses. Impulses means the we can say it that the sudden desire, the human mind. Okay, as we have always saying that at the same time there are 100 numbers of thoughts in your mind. So on which particular thought, how much importance to be given, the priority which has to be given to that particular thought, that makes you big or small. Okay, there when you are in your, see, we will see in coming lectures the different stages of an individual. When the age of 0 to 3, the age of 5 to 12, and the age of 13 to 19, the how teenage is there, how the teenage affects the personality, how a young boy or how a school going boy behaves in his particular age, that is particular part of the personality. So impulses, it is what is said, the desires, the n number of thoughts which are raising in your mind. So on which thought should be focused, the importance, the priority should be given to which thought, that all makes you the successful personality or a good personality and a good citizen of the society. Tendencies, which tendencies you are having. Tendency, you know, which kind of tendency or which kind of person he or she is. We always say he has got a very bad tendency of doing something different when he is in the class, means it is the habit of that student. Okay, then aptitudes, instincts, okay, of the individual, and disposition and tendencies acquired by experience. As we have said, not permanent. The word N in the spelling of personality stands for not permanent. It means what? The personality, the person is growing. And from my point of view, every individual is a student throughout his life. Although you are 60 years of age, but you should be, rather always you are in a learning mode. Means what? Every time you are a student. Okay, in a, what you say, every morning when you wake up, something new you are learning. Rather you should have that instinct in your mind that I should learn something new on every day, and this is how the person is growing. Okay, he is gaining the maturity, he is learning the things from his life, and if you can take it in a very better manner, it means you will definitely a good personality, a good and useful human being from the society's point of view, from the family point of view, and from a total personality point of view. So this is what it said, by experience, acquired by experience. Everyone is learning throughout his life. Even I am being a teacher also, I am learning something new on each and every day. So your attitude towards life should be to learn something. Okay, and if you have got that kind of behave, that kind of attitude, okay, that kind of instincts, if you have, your attitude, your aptitude should be like that, so that will definitely make you a good personality. So here on the board I have written, or I have taken only 4 definitions. Okay, only 4 definitions are explained today, but in study notes, okay, in study material I will give you 7 to 8 definitions which will help you in understanding the meaning of personality. But for today, or just from the understanding point of view, these 4 definitions are sufficient, and because this is such a topic, if you don't read frequently, there is a possibility of forgetting the topics. But if you remain in touch, if you will listen the videos or you will read the study material, that will definitely going to help you in solving the paper in the exam. So this is for the topic skill development, definitions of skill development, and in next lecture we will cover the different types of personalities in coming lectures. By the time, stay safe.